I want somebody to notice that our house is warm and inviting, that yes, it's very large and open, but it still has that homey feel. That's one of the things that drew us to our Hancock.
We picked the Hancock because of entertaining. It's a big open concept. The kitchen is awesome.
We chose the Hancock because we have 7 grandchildren. They love the loft and they love their special place upstairs where we created a beautiful bedroom for them with bunk beds.
The first floor living was a very key factor for us because as we grow older, we were going to be able to stay on the first floor. We don't have to worry about the steps. Everything is right there convenient for us.
We designed our home exactly the way we wanted it, and the vision we had before ended up even so much better at the end after the construction was complete.
Working with Traditions of America was a dream come true because we were able to get this home exactly to the way we want it.